Thinking of starting your own business in Malaysia? A mobile phone repair business might be the perfect choice. With over 40 million mobile connections in Malaysia, smartphones are part of everyday life. And when they break, people need fast and reliable repair services. Starting a mobile phone repair business requires basic technical skills, the right tools, and proper registration with the Companies Commission of Malaysia, also known as SSM. Step 1. Register your business with SSM. Step 2. Secure the necessary licenses from your local council. Step 3. Invest in quality repair tools and spare parts. Step 4. Promote your services both online and offline. Your success depends on trust. Customers value quick turnaround, fair pricing, and reliable service. Building good customer relationships is key to repeat business. At 3E Accounting Malaysia, we help entrepreneurs with company incorporation, licensing, and compliance, so you can focus on growing your mobile phone repair business.